Today we're going to show you how to replace a Honda Key Fob battery with no tools. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the emergency key by pressing over on that little lever that releases the emergency key. Then you see there's this little slot right here. You need to actually put the key in there, and what you're going to do is use the key to pry it apart. So I've got the key in place, and now I'm just going to pry until this comes open. There we go. It takes a fair amount of force. You can use a different tool, but this is for if you don't have any of those tools with you. Now you've got your battery here. It's a CR2032. We've got links to those in the description below. We've got a replacement CR2032, and now we're just going to pry the battery out. So you can see the best way to come in and at is from this top area because there's a little bit more clearance there. Once again, you're going to put the edge of the key right in there like so. You can see this smaller edge, and you're going to be able to then work your way in and pry that battery out. Now we're going to take our replacement CR2032 battery. We're going to slide it back in place. You can see that little light lit up. Now we're going to take 2/2 of the key. We're going to push those back in place, and we're going to make sure they're lined up and snap it in place. And then we're going to take our emergency key and put it back into the key fob. There you go. That is how you replace a Honda Key Fob battery without any tools. Hope you enjoy.